Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Cursor versus VSCode Copilot. Cursor is an AI-native code editor, built from the ground up for artificial intelligence assistance, aiming to redefine the integrated development environment. In contrast, VSCode Copilot is an AI assistant that integrates directly into the widely popular Visual Studio Code editor, enhancing an already familiar development environment. We will explore their fundamental differences, key features, and how each approaches AI-driven development to help you decide which tool best suits your workflow. Let's delve into their core artificial intelligence capabilities. Cursor offers unique features like chat with your codebase, allowing you to ask questions directly about your project, and auto-debug, which helps identify and fix issues. It can also generate code from scratch based on natural language prompts. VSCode Copilot, on the other hand, excels at providing inline code suggestions, intelligent code completion, and translating natural language comments into functional code, seamlessly assisting your coding process. Regarding user experience and integration, Cursor presents a fresh, AI-centric user interface designed for maximum efficiency in an AI-first workflow. This means a new environment to learn, but one optimized for artificial intelligence. VSCode Copilot, however, integrates directly into the existing Visual Studio Code ecosystem, maintaining the familiarity and extensive customization options that millions of developers already appreciate. It enhances your current setup without requiring a significant shift in your daily development habits. Finally, let's consider performance and pricing. Cursor offers a free plan with limited artificial intelligence usage, alongside paid tiers providing more advanced features and higher usage limits. VSCode Copilot typically operates on a subscription model, often including a free trial period for new users. Both tools aim to significantly boost developer productivity, potentially saving many hours of coding time each week, though performance can vary based on project complexity and specific AI tasks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.